day's going to be perfect, the kind of day of which I dreamed since I was small. All those armor-loving boys say I look great in uniform. What they don't know is that I have fooled them all. This day was going to be perfect, the kind of day of which I dreamed since I was small. But instead of having cake with all my friends to celebrate, my wedding bells may never ring for me at all. I care not a thing about the ring, I won't partake in any cake. Vows, well, I'll be lying when I say that through any kind of weather I want us to be together. The truth is I don't care for her at all. No, I do not love the bride, for my heart is dead inside, but I still want her to be mine. We must escape before it's too late, find a way to save the day. Hope I'll be lying if I say I don't fear that I may lose her to one who wants to use her, not care for love and cherish her each day. For I also love the bride, oh, in my heart she does reside. Oh, Princess Cadence, I'll soon be by your side. Finally the moment has arrived for me to take a very lucky bride. Oh, the wedding we won't make, she'll end up marrying a fake. Princess Cadence will be mine, oh mine.